Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most iconic trucks in American history, the 2026 Ford F-150, a truck that represents power, innovation, style, and next-level capability. From its bold exterior to a fully redesigned high-tech interior, this new F-150 is built for drivers who demand strength with comfort. So let's begin the full breakdown. Exterior, bold, modern, and powerful. The 2026 Ford F-150 takes its legendary design and pushes it even further. At the front, the first thing you notice is the massive front grille with sharp LED headlights that give this truck a confident and aggressive identity. The new sculpted hood, aerodynamic lines, and metallic finish make it look muscular yet refined. The truck's body sits high with a strong stance, supported by rugged alloy wheels designed for both urban roads and tough terrains. Every angle reflects premium craftsmanship, and Ford has clearly focused on giving this model a more modern and tech-forward look. Interior, a tech haven for drivers. Step inside, and the 2026 F-150 instantly feels like a luxury cabin. Ford has redesigned the interior with premium materials, soft leather seats, and brushed metal accents. The dashboard is dominated by a large center touchscreen, offering smooth navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Next to it sits a fully digital instrument cluster that displays everything from real-time fuel efficiency to off-road data. The cabin feels wider, cleaner, and more futuristic, perfect for long drives and daily comfort. Noise insulation has also been improved, meaning the cabin stays quiet even at high speeds. Whether you're working, traveling, or adventuring, this interior has everything you need. Engine and performance, real power under the hood. The 2026 F-150 continues to offer powerful engine options. From the efficient EcoBoost engines to the mighty V6 and hybrid variants, the truck delivers strong acceleration, smooth towing capability, and balanced fuel efficiency. Its chassis has been enhanced for better stability, and the suspension system offers a more comfortable ride on all terrains. Whether you're hauling equipment, towing trailers, or going off-road, the 2026 F-150 performs with confidence. Technology and features, smarter than ever. This model is packed with advanced technology, massive center touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Wi-Fi hotspot, 360-degree camera system, advanced driver assist modes, smart towing features. Over-the-air software updates, Ford has merged technology with practicality, making the F-150 not just powerful, but also smart and future-ready. Safety, Ford's top priority. Safety is where the 2026 F-150 truly shines. You get blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, collision detection, strong reinforced body structure. Ford ensures maximum protection for both driver and passengers. Conclusion: the 2026 Ford F-150 is a perfect blend of strength, luxury, technology, and reliability. It's tough when you need power, comfortable when you need relaxation, and smart when you need convenience. Whether you are a traveler, a worker, or a family driver, this truck is built to exceed your expectations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more amazing car videos. Stay connected for more powerful reviews, only on this channel.